In the last lesson, we have just created this register method. Now we need to make this class static. Now you are thinking that why we are going to make this class static? Because let's say when we want to access this register user method in some other class, then we have to create an instance of this API service class. And with that instance, we can access this register user method. However, if we make this class static, then we also need to make all the methods in this class to static. And when we try to access this register method from some other class, then instead of creating the new object, we simply call this method with the name of this class. So just make sure to make this class and this register method static, and all the methods that we are going to add in this class will be static. Alright, now in the next module, let's explore the login method.